The unwanted query has a foreign, far-off sound, as if it belonged to ages on the earth no longer found. Was it said where Syrian shepherds watched the word, watched the friend of God in prayer, when the Mars plants, the palm tree, crossed the shade like the burning air, and they turned with waking reverence from the shrines of Bala to the new pure faith beginning then on earth her morning hymn? Or it may have once been uttered by the labyrinth of dead, where mind moldering bones in darkness off the Christian feast was spread, and the lamplights on the altar in those grave aisles prophesied that from martyrs' dust arising should the church be glorified.
She brings me to myself. When I am lost, I look to her for leverage and love. When I am longing and unsure, I imagine her shores and become sure, and I am sure. She is the magnet with infinite pull strength that draws me towards my divinity and my destiny. Stop asking me if I'm African, because Africa is the matriarch of humanity, and Africa is born again and again through me. I am mitochondrial Eve, and I am African. Sitting at the feet of my elders awaiting instructions, my life is structured in a way that keeps me focused on Africa. In my talk, I'm African. Nah, I wasn't born there. Nah, I wasn't born fair. I was born in the hood, born stolen goods, born to think me and Africa were no good. I was taken and stolen away. So now, I am African in a way that is new and bold, and I am bold in my diasporan brethren and Christian to reach back, grab that, take that which is yours rightfully, righteously, right with me, African.
You're the children wonder about where you're the secret beat.
Yes.
You're rich with a Gullah Geechee. If people think you're not lie about the one you're to be, I want you to crack your teeth, but you're the history.